It's Everybody thong. It has this cute like lace around it. She tiny though. Day 17 is another cotton jersey pair. Day 18, I love punching these. It fits Everybody thong. It has really cute ruffles. I love the brown color. Day 19, fits Everybody boy short. It is light pink with a little rose on the top. Day 20, oh, jingle jingle satin stretch jersey underwear with little jingle bells. Jingle all the way. Day 21, stretch lace underwear with a slit at the bottom for easy access. Kimberly, you are naughty. This is only for sex. Day 22, an ultra fine mesh thong. It is very cute.